Alright, here we go. Alright, so this is my website. You can see here it's pretty simple so far. Just got an About Me page, a link here to a different page, my hobbies, which this bar up at the top will have like a bunch of different links in it as I expand it, so I'll just add them, or, when we learn Bootstrap, I think, or place that. Just a little small image of me, and then a short little paragraph here. And just, some information about me, basic stuff. Sorry. Click my hobbies. Takes you to this page. It's got a different, different background. Same layout, except here at the top it says my hobbies, so you can see there's a PDF of a piano, a little paragraph about that, PDF of a guitar here, just explaining a couple of my hobbies. So those are the two pages that I did. And then if we go over here, you can see the code behind it. So this is for the first page. You can see here in the body, there's where I changed the background color to black. And I did learn to do that on HubSpot, but I think actually it does teach you to do that in the W3 schools I found later when I ended up doing that. But still, credit them anyway. So here I wanted to make everything white and aligned to center, so I did font, and I did the closing tag for that all the way at the bottom here, just so that all of my code would default to being in Comic Sans and in white aligned to center. And then when I wanted to change that, I can, change that manually in here. But by default, all of it would be like this now. And so here's where I did the About Me, and then the horizontal line separating it. And then I did change, I think, I did change the font for the, for the links to the other pages to Roboto instead of Comic Sans. So here's the link to the page 2.html, then a space. There's the source for the image of me, so we got our images folder right here in the same folder as the as the project. So it's pretty simple, just me.png. And then here's the paragraph for my paragraph on me. Close font, close body, close HTML. So pretty basic. Over to page 2. This page is a little more complicated, obviously, as you could tell from that. So I did get, here it is. Okay. Yeah, so I did get this code from W3 schools. So I think this is in CSS. So I don't. Basically, this just makes the background light blue. You don't really see it. That's kind of irrelevant because it's covered by the image. And then here it puts this URL background image background URL, and then to our link to our image that just makes the background, puts the background there. No repeat, that makes it fill the whole page and not repeat, so you don't actually scroll. Like if you'll see when I scroll, the background stays put instead of being part of the page that you would actually scroll across. So that's what the no repeat does. Fixed center. Fixed center actually does that. No repeat. They both basically do it. And then background size cover makes it cover the whole page. So that's all in this style tag. And then get into our body. I think I did the same thing where I did align to center. I wanted the whole page to be aligned to center and in white, so I put those tags, and then you'll see they go down all the way to the bottom. So you see you have this big heading tag right here, just like in the last page, horizontal line, and then the image for the piano, little paragraph, break, then the image for the guitar, second image, paragraph, pretty standard. close paragraph, another break, another image. I had to resize this one because I wanted to use that PNG, but it was much too big, so I ended up resizing it. Yep. And then what else? This is odd. Hold up. I wonder why that's working. I didn't notice this. This should be in here, right? But it is working. Hold up. Yeah, it is working. I'm just gonna fix that just because, but that's odd. So that should be in there. And if I control save, I'll reload because it's been open. Yep, alright. That's odd. Yeah, it was outside the paragraph tag for some reason. But didn't seem to make a difference. Alright. And then I left a bunch of empty space here. Font, close font, everything, and that's it. So, yep. There's my webpage.